All right, everyone, welcome to another beautiful London session today. The first thing I got to do is I got to set this YouTube stuff up. Gold buy signal, Fazan. To be honest, I have not looked at any signal so far. Oh, wow, look at that. People took these sells over here. Okay, good. We did continue to push down then. It seems like we did break below this area and we continued to push down. Let me see if there were any confirmations over here. Okay. 20 pips, okay. This could have been good. Very nice. Oh, you're giving me the signal. I don't know about those buys, man. Because, I mean, you know, like we've broken below a support. So I think it's going to be a good idea to maybe wait to see how price will react to 26.45. And then we could possibly make a decision where price will move. Talk about GU Raja live in Uganda. It doesn't matter whether you're live in Uganda or you're live in fucking Neptune. You have to send a chart. All right, so this one, got to change this to pound yen. Where's pound yen? Pound yen right over here. And then change this to my type of candles. Oh, hold on. Where are my candles over here? Raja, this one, this one, this one. Oh. Ah, there we go. This one. Awesome. And we got to remove periods. We got to change this background. Got to represent. There we go. Do you trade pound NZD? No, I don't trade pound NZD. Pound yen is coming down to the support area where market opened basically with a gap. So I think it's going to be better to understand how price will react to the support area 194.320. 194.320, and here we go. And this is also coming up to this area which we broke. So I think it's going to be important to see how we react to this area. What are your kinds of candles called? Candlesticks? They're called candlesticks. All right, let's take a look at this over here. Pound yen 1 hour. Okay. Yeah, so pound yen 1 hour, even though we're breaking below this low, it doesn't mean that we're looking for an impulse entry, because at the same time we're basically dumping down to a possible support. So it's going to be interesting to see how we react to this area over here. Fund engineers selling their firm, bro, buy it? No, it's not about just buying it. It's also about how much business they're bringing in and what platform they have incorporated at this point, like, you know, like how the operation is running. You know, if there's no business, there's no point in buying anything without any business. Let's take a look at this chart over here. This is gold. 30-minute close below support, which is also consolidation range. Where if next 15 can break the low, 15-minute candle, stop loss below 15-minute high. Since it's already wicked up, broke the low, secured 14 pips. Thank you. Oh, beautiful. Amazing. Thank you. That is absolutely amazing trade. Right there. Oh, wow. So fresh analysis on gold, MJ, is that I'm just generally waiting to see how we will react to this level 26.45, you know, because we broke below the support on the 15-minute, the 30-minute, and the 1 hour. You know, we broke below that area, and I don't know how this candle will react. 26.45. Why 26.45? Itminan, I think you're new, so I want you to go through the whole course before I answer that question, 26.45. Which platform you use? C-Trader. All right, I'm going to be very patient here today since it's a Monday. 26.45. Because if you open up your eyes and you look at this right over here, this was a support. So we broke below 26.45, and now we're coming back up. So now we need to see how this candle will react to 2645. Because if we create resistance, then there's a possibility we can continue to push down. Can we consider it as a fake out? Why the fuck would you want to consider this as a fake out when the candle hasn't closed above 2645? It hasn't closed yet. It's still open. So if you take a buy over here thinking that, oh, you know, this is a fake out, I'm going to take a buy. Hey, like, come on, man, wait for the candle to close. Wait for the candle to close. Did you guys leave your brains somewhere over the weekend? Did you guys go out to party, go to your uncle's house and left your brain over there and come back on Monday without a brain? Like, come on, man. It's just like very, very simple concepts. Can't we shift this level to 15 minutes? No. I'm going to leave it at the 30 minute because the 30 minute is a much better, stronger confirmation time frame. Calm down your blood pressure. My blood pressure is fine. Okay, Fazan, awesome. Thank you. I see sometimes the stories that you go to the gym at pre-London. It doesn't make you stressed because some opportunities may appear. No, I don't get stressed. All the time I go to the gym at pre-London, all the time. And I don't care whether I miss the move or not because the market, here's the thing. The market does not dictate when I should trade. I dictate when I should trade. You know, so it's all cool. So are we expecting to sell or buy gold? Well, Kenya trading, I think you should stick to whatever you're doing there in Kenya and leave this for us. I missed the bullish move right now. Awesome. But the support on gold was 2643. Please send a chart. I remember you said if we have clean range, created bearish candles, clean range, didn't care about support, 2045, that's why 2045. Oh, okay. That only applies when the candle closes. At this point, the candle is still open. What's this? Oh, sells. Beautiful. Very nice. 14 pips secured. Very, very, very nice. Sir, hero in happy mood. Thank. I'm in a very happy mood today. I've been following you since 2021. You consistently take trades so precisely. How do you recognize the setup? I know you have a 9 years of experience. So, okay. So at this point, at this point, all I'm waiting for to see how we react to 2645. That's all what I'm waiting for to see how we react to 2645. You know, if we reject this area and close below, then there's going to be an opportunity for price to move down. But if it closes above, then we'll see what we can do. But before I answer that question, I have to literally wait for the candle to close. Literally. There's like 18 minutes left. So any question you ask, all those questions are pointless until we get a candle to close. That's it. Just gotta wait for the candle to close. Go have a banana, go have a smoke, go make some coffee, go have some food, because you got 18 minutes left for the candle to close. You know, if you are the kind of trader who's waiting for the 15 minute, then you got what? 4 minutes left for the candle to close. That's it. That's all what you're doing. You're not trying to do an impulse entry. You're not trying to force a trade. You're not trying to be in a trade just because you're looking at the charts. No, you're literally just waiting for the candle to close. That's it. That's all what you're doing at this point. Where the eggs and peanut butter in my bag? Is your broker supported in Lebanon? Yes. Can you check USDJPY? No. You don't buy to break previous candle high? Nope. I'm just waiting for the candle to close. Check 4-hour time frame. Okay, doesn't matter. I'm waiting for the candle to close. Unless and until this candle doesn't close, anything else, it does not matter to me. The 4-hour, the daily, whatever, doesn't really matter to me. Just waiting for this candle to close. Very simple. If you have 3 rules, points to take trade according what? If you have only 3 rules, points to take trade. Yeah, number 1, wait for the candle to close. Number 2, just focus on one trade. Number 3, have a stop loss. Yeah, no news. Could be pretty good. Price action. Just gotta wait to see how the candle closes, and then we'll see what happens. Have you ever thought about MagicKeys? No. No mobile application, because MagicKeys was built to operate on your computers just so that you don't have to trade on mobile, because a lot of people just take pointless trades on mobiles, so I took a trade when we made a support from down below. Was it a good trade? Yeah, it's good. If you made money, it's good. It's very good. Very good. Dominion Markets works in Pakistan, yes. I've been applying lessons learned from your trading to crypto and works wonders. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome. How do you view Mondays being start of the week? No, just like any other day, just like any other Tuesday, any other Wednesday. Monday is not special. Friday is not special, because like patterns form the same way, and then you just got to execute on them. What is your broker name? Dominion Markets. It works in France, yes, and in UK. To be honest, all these people asking questions about does the broker work in France, UK, India, Kenya? They're all Indians, mostly. They're all Indians. Like Ajay, Indian name, Ajay. Like all these names of Zabiullah Zahid, another Indian. All these Asians. What do you mean by anticipating a trade? Anticipating a trade means that, let's say from here you are expecting price to go down and you're not executing on it, you're just anticipating it. I mean, it's anticipating. Anticipating meaning. Let's go to Google. Regarding something as probable or likely. Like, I mean, how else can I explain anticipating? It's an English word. After Friday's NFP with the trade you took, did this keep you thinking over the weekend? Any regret on the trade? No, not really. No. I didn't even think about that NFP trade at all. Nothing. I thought nothing about it. Because if I look at my previous month, so the first day I started this account, I had like a $15,000 loss. Didn't really bother about it. Nothing. Didn't really thought anything about it. Just continue on doing what you're doing. So it's going to be no different. The 15-minute candle has closed. Let's take a look at this over here. The 15-minute candles are rejecting over here. So I think it's going to be better to wait for the 30-minute candle to close total, and then we're going to see where price goes after that. How do you know when it's a good time to stack positions? You don't. When are you launching Dominion funding? Probably by late October or something like that. What time do you trade with what time zone? Mr. Akshat, that's a stupid question. You know the time right now, and you know the time zone right now. What's the point of that question? What? Hey, come on. Dominion Markets works anywhere if you use a VPN and deposit crypto. That's true. Just joining the live now. Oh, welcome, welcome, welcome. Are we waiting for a buy or a sell? No idea. Just waiting for the candle to close. Just waiting for the candle to close. That's it. Is there any specific situation to look at the 5-minute? I only look at the 5-minute if there is really, really heavy volume. And if I'm taking like 100 trades, maybe 5 of them, I'm going to consult the 5-minute, consult the 5-minute. I want to add that time zone of my chart as new to Forex. I think you should go through the whole course first and make a trading plan before coming on to the live stream and ask questions. I'm not just being rude. I'm just trying to make sure that you have the best possible experience, So going through the course, making a trading plan is going to be better for you rather than just to come on the live and ask questions. How you doing? I'm doing good. Alhamdulillah, very good. Gold in high time frame range, barring NFP, you had losses. Why not focus on GJ that has been trading high ranges? Because I only trade gold now. Sorry again to MagicKeys application. I meant an application where phone turns into MagicKeys and use it when trading on a PC. Oh, okay. No, haven't really thought about that, because then you gotta do paperwork, for lack of better term, for iOS, for Google, and it's a pain in the ass, so I haven't really thought about that. Plus the whole concept is to have like a physical device. In your past videos, you were saying funded firms are a scam. Mohsin Ejaz, कोई एक आप मुझे वीडियो ला के दिखा दें जिसमें मैंने बोला हो कि funding firms are a scam. I never said they are a scam. Never. ये देसियों की ना आदत है इस तरह कि एक चीज लेके ना उसको यूं उसका हलवा बना के फिर कहते हैं जी सर आपने तो ये बोला था. सही बात सर आपने ये बोला. Do you offer offline classes in Dubai? No. How to trade on MagicKeys? I don't know. Can you make a video that how to trade NASDAQ? No. Sir, the zone that you marked didn't become relevant after bearish move? No. Again, waiting for the candle to close. Just like WhatsApp auctions, yeah. There's a difference between just taking 50-50 trades versus only. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the candle to close, because today, man, like normally my patience is really, really good, but like, I don't know, maybe my IQ increased over the weekend, or maybe everyone else's IQs just dropped over the weekend. I don't know what happened, but yeah, this is really stressing me out. The amount of stupidity can be in just one place. Yeah, I'm just not going to answer any questions until it's a very solid, thought out question. So yeah, let's take a look at Forex Factory here, see what's going on. All right, so we got CPI on Wednesday. Let's take a look at this. So Monday, nothing. Tuesday, nothing. I think CPI. Oh, it's on Thursday. Okay, CPI is on Thursday. Beautiful. Another Raja Casino coming up on Thursday. Let's take a look at this chart over here. This is support 2645. Bearish candle created clean range. Doesn't it invalidate the support? This one. Yeah, exactly. But we're waiting for this candle to close. Seriously, just waiting for this candle to close. That's it. I know what you're saying, but there are different ways to do that. Like, I mean, this support would have been invalidated if it hadn't been rejected as many times. Normally, if you have a support and it only gets rejected once and we invalidate it, then you can say like, okay, like, now we have clean range formed, like this. But since this was a strong support, which was rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, this is like we have to treat it as like a strong support, because it was rejected too many times. Hey, Prem Patel, what are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? Prem Patel, okay, let's remove this. All right, what's this? Temis sent a chart over here. Let's take a look at this chart. I took a sell. At the time I entered, we had 50% move already. Do you think I should wait for retracement? No. I think if you look at it on the 15-minute time frame, it made sense based on impulse entries in trends. So I think that was good. For a long... The fuck is this? Oh, someone deleted their thing over there. Can you say your journey from home country to Dubai? No. Yaar, Akshat, aap kahan se aaye ho, yaar? Who is this guy? Where'd you come from? What our psychology should be during drawdown? Manage risk. Again, go through the course. I know you guys are new, but go through the course. For a long time, I want to ask you a question. Do you find a difference in trading 5 years ago, the way the market is going, how traders are trading? No. I don't find any difference. The only difference that I have seen, and like, like guys who've been trading for a long time, they would agree to this as well, that in 2016, 17, and midway 2018, there used to be a lot of volume in, dollar yen. There used to be a lot of volume in dollar yen, but then the volume kind of like died down in dollar yen. Sometimes you see surges of volume, but yeah, that's the only change I've seen. Other than that, I haven't seen any change at all. I do know that the market moves in cycles, like every 2.5 to 3 years. It's going to be a different cycle, but I think it also depends on the policies set by the U.S. government and things that happen, macroeconomically. They also move things, but I haven't really seen any massive changes, to be honest. London session. What the fuck is this? I don't know what you wrote. India, but it's illegal to trade forex from here. You want to plan to get resident do forex? I don't know, Akshat. Please leave the live stream. But the moves in gold in recent years are more volatile. Yep. Yeah, it is. But also depends on what's happening around the world. Can I ask you seasonality of trading? I don't focus on seasonalities of trading. I don't. So see over here, one moment we were closing below, the other moment we are going back up. Confusion. It's just waiting now. This is my Friday impulse entry. Wrong, yeah, right. I don't know. Oh, yeah, it's right. Why do you say wrong or right? I mean, you won the trade, so be happy you won the trade. This is good. Now you just gotta see where your stop loss was. Was it within the range? Because you wanted price to fill this area or what? See, now we got 5 minutes left for the candle to close. So now we can say that, okay, maybe now this is the range that we have formed at this point. So there's a lot of waiting around. So now we see this range as like a 76 pip. Any kind of observations that change your trading compared to 2018 to 2024? Nope, nothing. What's this? Oh, wow, Empire, 50% win rate, 1 to 2. Well, you need to be crazy rich. You need to be crazy and rich at the same time. Crazy and rich. Well done, well done. How can you calculate lot size on NASDAQ? I don't know. Oh, wow, look at that. Pound yen is coming down to this area over here. How can I get your mentorship? I don't know. Is there any discount offer for a course? No. Please teach me how you do it. Okay, there, Mr. Indians. Okay, they're all Indians, by the way. These questions, crazy. Hey, Raja, I joined yesterday and funded my Dominion account again after being away for 2 months. Happy to be back. Welcome, Ryan. Welcome. Which is your favorite country to live as a trader? I don't know. That's irrelevant, to be honest. Do you revenge trade the 26K loss? Nope. I don't revenge anything. I'm trying to buy a prop firm, though. I'm trying to buy a prop firm that's in need of liquidity. I offered $5,000 to funded lines, but I don't think they'll agree to that. I think that's the most money they will ever get. They don't have a platform. Their whole shit is shut down. Yeah. I'm new to MFU and I'm liking already. You're awesome at executing trades. You're teaching. Thank you, man. Thank you, Cruz. I really appreciate it. So again, I'm just waiting over here now. I'm just waiting to see what happens. I'm not in a rush to execute a trade. None of that. Nothing. You're one of the most sorted intellectual traders. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Hello from Ethiopia. And if you can tell me how to read pips on NASDAQ. All right. Step number one is to open. Step number one is to open NASDAQ. Okay. Where the fuck is NASDAQ? NASDAQ. Step number 1 is to open up NASDAQ. Step number 2, press this middle button on the mouse right here. Press it, drag the thing, and then you will see pips, right? Oh, sorry. The step number 3 is to open up your eyes and read the pips, which says right over there on the screen. Great. That's going to be $50, sir. I get margin call. I should trade today or not? I think you should just delete your platform, man. Like pre-London, I took 15 pips. Good idea. Very nice. Yeah. Wow. Look at that. Let's take a look on the 1 hour time frame. Going right back up. 4 hour. Ooh, wow. Look at that. Looks like 4 hour candle is going to make a top wick over here too. We'll have to wait. What are you using to measure pips? What am I using to measure pips? Well, you have a tool over here. Where is that? Nothing. I had a tape measure over here, but it's not over here anymore. But anyway, you get the idea. Please reply to me. No. In buy from previous demand zone. Beautiful. Beautiful. Man, to be honest, like today, Monday is it's a test of my patience today for some reason. Like it's really a test of my patience today on this Monday. This is so crazy, man. This is wild. Like, where are you guys coming from? Who is sending you guys to the stream? Who's doing this? Usually I have like 1,500 people live on London session. Calm, amazing, perfect. Today we got extra 600 retards coming up and over here. Extra. We don't need you. Please leave. Let's go back down to 1,500 people watching. We don't need extra 600 retards. Your audience is psycho. My audience is, I don't know where it's coming from. But anyway, still waiting over here. I got into buys when the recent support was formed. What do you think about it? Yeah, I think it's very good. Good job. Very nice. Let's take a look at pound yen over here. What are we doing at the support? Ooh, nothing. Rejecting this area. Rejecting. All right. Can't wait to go to the expo later on today. Yeah, let's see here. What do we have here now? Going up. So now we'll have to see. See, here's the thing. If we kind of like, create some sort of a resistance below this wick, just want to see how big. Yeah, it's like a 47, 46 pip range. 47, 46 pip range. I thought you weren't going, Raja. What are you, my wife? That's what wives say, right? Or your parents. Oh, I thought you're not going to go there. Well, I am now. I changed my mind. I changed my mind. Funny way to read comments, Raja. God bless you. Thank you. What are your views on US oil? Bullish. Funded account, about, tell, no. So yeah, watching live stream from Singapore. Oh, nice. Welcome. Welcome. Not sure if you know him. Funded Peaks. Okay. I'll make an offer to Funded Peaks. Maybe like $100,000 should be good. I have an extra $500,000 to put in different places. 500K. So I think it's going to be good. You are ICT traders liquidity, no problem. These people, yeah. So just gonna wait over here because I'm pretty sure if we can get some sort of a resistance forming, I think it's a good possibility we can continue pushing down. But at the same time, if we continue to push up without any retracement or without any confirmation, then it's just a missed trade. What can you do? And then you could say, oh, look, 4R is making a top wick at that point. That could be the case as well. But the main thing is I have to follow my plan. When did you start Dominion funding will be less than the other prop funding? What do you mean less? What does that mean? Do you read books? Yes. The difference between SMC and VSA, you're going too deep there, my friend. How much return on investment is realistic? For example, if I invest, okay, so Asad Rashid, you want to invest $100,000. Do you have $100,000? Do you know how many $100 bills are there in $100,000? Can I trade only long side instead of short size? My God. Okay. What the process must be from non-profitable to profitable trader. Just stop taking trades and you're going to be profitable more than your friends, Gather 5 of your friends and tell them all to trade and you stop trading. And then after a month, ask them what their balances are. I can assure you your balance is going to be the highest because you haven't traded. Hey, Raja, I'm grateful. I stumbled upon your course last year and started reading and following your YouTube. I must say, I no longer blow my account. Beautiful. I'm addicted to risk management. Amazing. I'm no longer a retard because now your harsh words have straightened me up. I'm at break-even stage and I'm happy that will soon be profitable. Oh, amazing, Daniel. That is absolutely amazing. That is very, very nice. Good job, bro. Good job. See, the thing is, being at the break-even stage, that's like the longest you can be at a break-even stage. That's the hardest stage to break, the break-even stage. But once you break the break-even stage, and the only way to break the break-even stage is if you can manage risk. There's no other way. You can manage risk, you're good to go. Have you any experience TradeZilla? Yeah, I used it in the beginning, but then I just found myself not using it anymore. There's no reason why I stopped using it. I mean, like my buddy owns it, but in terms of like usage, I haven't used it anymore. Maybe because all my stats are available here, on CTrader with one click, everything daily, monthly, daily, Oh, wow, look. Yeah. So. All right, let's take a look at this over here. Look at this chart, ICT room. Let's take a look at this. This is took a buy as the candle opened. Oh, nice, beautiful. Price went 10 per profit. Came back to my entry. Exited at break even. Why did you exit at break even if it didn't hit your stop loss? Now make this a rule, right? The rule is when price goes into profits, comes back down to break even, and if you are getting scared, close 50%. And leave the rest running. When you close everything at break even, this means you are afraid of taking a loss. But imagine this, when price comes to break even, you close 50% and then price hits your stop loss. Guess what happened? You lost less than what you planned on losing. But if you close 50% and instead price hitting a stop loss goes in profits, now you're going to be happy because you held on to the trade, you got scared, but you closed 50% and you left the rest running. Make that a rule whenever you are getting afraid, Gold is booming. Yeah, that's fine. I can see that. That's cool. No problem. Gold is booming. Wow, we broke above this high over on the 15-minute time frame as well. I have to mention here that your risk management changed my thinking on markets and your advice on 1 to 2 trades complements what you teach here. I believe you will change a lot of lives. Yeah, I hope to change a lot of lives in trading. There are countless messages that me and my team get that because of the live stream, then because of the recent videos that we have been posting on Instagram, it has ignited the passion of trading in a lot of people, and that's basically what I like to hear, because trading is very, very lonely. There are not a lot of people who are willing to help you without any payment or buying a course or whatever. It's the wild, wild west. And I'm happy that some of the live streams we do or some of the education content we post on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, it literally genuinely helps a lot of people. And that's what my intention is, to genuinely help people by posting all this content. I can just keep this content and say, just join our Market Fluidity University if you want access to this content. No, of course there's some extra things in there, but the basics are covered in so much detail in the short videos I post. I have a problem when I'm in drawdown. I easily get up and recover the drawdown, but after drawdown, it became hard. How to fix that? Whenever you go in drawdown, just accept the fact. I don't know. It depends. Are you going in drawdown without a stop loss, or what's going on? Trade after read, dog timing trade, a lot of lump. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. Is Dominion Markets T+0 settlement, or is it T+1 or T+2? Dominion Markets settlement? We're not a payment service provider, we're a broker. Or are you talking about withdrawals? I think you're just trying to sound smart with these words when these words don't apply to us. But we do same day withdrawals. Have you met before Market Maker Guy? There's no such thing as a Market Maker Guy. It's a company. Market Maker Guy doesn't exist. I've been watching your old video, live stream, learned so much. Thank you. Okay. See, now we are creating this big range over here. I'm finding some difficulty with dynamic risk, difficulty in adding the second or third position because most of the time the move would have happened or it would be retracing. Please guide me. I would say maybe stop doing dynamic risk and go with static risk, because the first step for you is to get good at managing risk. You can only get good at managing risk if you go with static risk. If you go with dynamic risk, the risk is already managed, and then adding a position to the trade is a little bit advanced because in a way you're taking a second or a third trade in the same move that's happening. So I think in the beginning, just focus on static risk and focus on how to cut losses short. This concept of dynamic risk is just going to come naturally as you gain more experience. Chat with Traders is a very, very, very good podcast. Raja, where is your entry? I don't have an entry. I'm just chilling. Literally. Just waiting, chilling. Chilling to see what happens. Not in any sort of rush. When do you expect we will fill out results to me Marcus Comp? I think by today or tomorrow. Between GJ and gold, which pair do you trade the most? I trade gold the most. Again, same question. How much return on investment of 100,000 realistic daily profit? On $100,000 daily profit, you can make $100,000. Are you happy with that? Can you share your opinion on no wick candle? No. So on a static risk, I can close 50% on reversal and let the remaining run? Yes, that is correct. That is absolutely correct. I think there's more manipulation in London session than NY session. Okay. How do you plan an entry if you wanted to, hypothetically? Hypothetically speaking, if I wanted an entry, my entry would have been sells around here. For buys, I would have maybe taken an entry after this candle right over here. But, there was this rejection, so I wasn't too sure what's going to happen. So, yeah, confidently, I wouldn't have taken an entry. Confidently. Maybe with a small lot size, like a 10 or 15 lot. But I'm confident if I'm executing a 40 or a 50 lot. Haven't really done a 50 lot on this account, have I? No, I haven't. Haven't done a 50. Like the maximum I've done is Oh yeah, I've done 50. I've done 75 too. Okay, my bad. 169 lot, the rest 50s, 40s. You know, so surprise myself. Yeah, no trade so far this week. How to order Magic Keys in India? I don't know. Maybe write a letter, tie it to a pigeon, and send it over to us. And then once we get it in 2-3 months or not get it, then we will fulfill your order. Like, what the fuck kind of question is that? That's like asking, brother, how do I check my email? You know, I don't understand. Did you teleport from the Stone Age to 2024? Was this teleportation that you need to learn how to order things online? I'm watching from Philippines. Hello, thank you. Welcome. You're joining the live stream on a bad day today. There's a lot of weird things happening. Was it a full moon last night? Like, did it affect people's IQ levels? What's happening? Ordered Magic Keys 2 months ago, still stuck in customs in Mumbai. Well, that's a Mumbai problem then. You are so funny. I try not to be. I took a buy from the resistance level 45 pips. Beautiful. They say the best trader in the world only gets 3 to 5% a month. Your thoughts? I don't know. If they say that, then they say it. I'll work hard enough to have at least 1 cup of tea in my life with you. You don't have to work hard to have a cup of tea. You can just come see me and have a cup of tea. Can Asian country use dominion markets? No. No Asian countries are banned from now on today. All Asian countries. Mongolia, India especially, Japan, Pakistan, Afghanistan was already banned. You know, all Asian Oh my God, man, this is nuts. Okay, here we go. Yeah. I mean, you know, the best case scenario is going to be this. If price can close below 26.47, this is going to be the best case scenario where we can move down. I'm going to look for a sell at that point. If that happens in the next 15 minutes. Why the brokers don't work in these countries? Okay. What was surprised to see one of the platforms? Okay. Can Nigeria use dominion markets? Nope. Funded account really. Yeah. What's your plan now for a trade? Well, my plan now is to call it a day because I got very important things to do later on in the day, and this is just destroying my IQ level here today. I'm so sorry, guys, but I don't know what's going on with everyone. This is just wild. I can't take this anymore, trust me. But anyway, we'll see you guys on Wednesday. Take care and have a good day. See you.